Hi there, and I want to show you a short video. It happened at the start of a driving lesson. So we're driving out of this student's estate, and it's quite a tricky little estate to get out of. Lots of narrow gaps, blind bends, parked cars, making it hard. And we're just getting kind of wound up. We've been in the car about a minute at that point, the student. So I'm directing the girl, and you can see in the distance there's a blue heavy goods vehicle. Just see the end going to the left, and there's a guy walking into the middle of the road with a fluorescent jacket on. So I'm saying to the student at this point, let's slow down, stop by this white car, and you can just see the blue heavy goods vehicle HGV reversing back. So the guy in the fluorescent jacket is directing the driver, and we're waiting in. Now, you could have quite easily gone forward and gone to the left more where the WR lines are, so you're in your side of the road, but at the time it wasn't very clear whether the heavy goods vehicle was going to reverse up this road. So I said hold back here, so it's better to hold back, keep a nice big gap from the problem to make it easier for the person who's doing the reversing manoeuvre. So it's not easy what they're doing there. You know, it's quite hard to reverse a long trailer. It's better to keep a distance. And also, if a car did come the opposite way and they wanted to come through, well, they can't get through straight away, so we're not actually in the way, and we can move forward and go to the left if we have to. And then once they're obviously in, so they're getting in there quite easy now, then we're just planning on moving off. And keeping your distance makes a big difference. So if you ever get confronted by dangers that you're not sure about, keep your distance, and then it's easier. Okay, hope you enjoyed this short video. If you have, give it a massive thumbs up and watch out for the next one next time. Take care, everybody.